able to avoid the first two. Hi, welcome everybody. I'm Dee.
I'm Adarius.
We're Nights Treks. We're here at Universal Orlando Resort at Universal Studios, Florida. We've got a lot of questions about how do I get around the scare zones? I don't want to be scared. I just want to see the show, ride the rides, eat the food. And a lot of people want to go to Diagon Alley without having to go through a scare zone. We're going to try to go through each and every area without going through a scare zone to answer your questions. If you're getting here for opening ceremonies, this front will be packed with scare actors and chainsaw people. So let's see if we can pretend like they're right here in the front and we'll show you the way around, okay? This is the first scare zone. When you first come in, if there's a lot of people here or you're here for the opening ceremonies, what you're gonna wanna do is either go on the sidewalks or, better yet, just go this way. The chainsaw people are all the way over to Today Cafe. So, let's go through Hollywood. Another scare zone in Hollywood. Let's try staying on the sidewalk, okay? They don't bother you on the sidewalk. On the sidewalk, no scares were had. This is the real test right here, this zombie scare zone. But we've got an easy way to get through it. Follow us. Let's get the best dessert at Halloween Horror Nights before we go through the shortcut. About getting this delicious treat is that you can still hear the zombie scare zone, but we're not gonna walk through it. We're gonna go around.
Your tres leches. Tres leches.
Tres leches is the only good dessert at Halloween Horror Nights this year, so. Scare zone with no sidewalks at all. So instead of going through here, you go through Central Park, and it's a nice, quiet, dark walk. And you can still hear the zombies, but you're not going to be scared by them. You can still hear it, but this walk is much less stressful. Pops you out right by what used to be Kids Zone, with the Animal Actors Show building, with the Carrie Drive-In food booth, the Triplets food booth. Over there's pizza fries. It's a nice little eating area that it brings you to. Okay, a couple of years ago, we told you guys that Diagon Alley was a safe zone because there was nothing in it. J.K. Rowling was like, no Halloween Horror Night stuff in my part of the park. But last year, they introduced Death Eaters to Diagon Alley, and it's no longer safe here. So, go around the outer rim if you really want to stay away from everything, and make your way towards San Francisco to our next scare zone.
All right, so there's a little update here. So, this area was home to the Wolfman, but they took him out and replaced it with a photo op now. Now, we don't really know why, but we're gonna...
We know why. He looked like the old man telling you to get off his lawn. And he didn't have a pedal, there was no sound effects with the howling.
Well, officially unofficial, that's what we're all thinking. That's the reason why, but yeah. Coming up next, Blumhouse Scare Zone.
San Francisco.
Yes. So this is going to be a little more difficult to get around.
Yeah.
because there's like a half sidewalk, and then you have to trek it over to the other part of the sidewalk.
No, where the half sidewalk ends at the exit of the Fast and the Furious ride, that's the exit for major suites. So you're gonna have people coming out. So you may not be scared though. Let's try it. Let's see how it works.
Yeah.
You're not gonna be able to avoid the first two.
Yeah. Let's go ahead and show you real quick. Just give you a bigger picture of. So that's the entrance to this scare zone. There's not really a way around it. Maybe if you head on over to like the freestyle machines, but you'll still have to come across to this sidewalk over here just to try to avoid those two scares.
Right. That's the exit. So we're almost halfway across.
Over there's the entrance. That's the sidewalk. Come across, and then you're onto the other sidewalk. So yeah.
Okay, the last scare zone is the easiest to get around New York. If you honestly don't want to see any of it, you just go up to Transformers and take that road all the way down like you're going towards Rip Ride Rocket. If you do want to see it, but you don't want to be in it, super easy again. There's sidewalks on both sides of the road. So let's take the sidewalks and show you out. If you go on the side of the road that we went on, it's going to lead you straight to the tribute store. If you take the other sidewalk, it's going to lead you to the Ghostbusters food booths. So either way, you're going to come across something really awesome.
Exactly. And if you haven't tried the s'mores yet, try it. It's pretty good.
Little Stay Puft S'mores, guys. Really good.
I'm Hannah.
All right, and what are your goals for tonight?
Well, Ghostbusters, obviously.
Okay, all right.
And probably, going and doing Shut Up on Lines because Frankenstein is amazing, even though it doesn't have Frankenstein.
Ooh, we love Frankenstein. She wants to go back to that tonight. I don't know about that. Well, I appreciate y'all saying hi. Thank you again. All right.
As you're heading out, if you're going through this main area and not around the Hollywood, stay on the sidewalk on the right, because then you can just go through the store and you miss everything. Alright, we've successfully made it out without touching foot inside of a scare zone. We did it.
We did it.
We did it. We hope that you have a great Halloween Horror Nights night. We hope you enjoy your trip. Thank you so much to our patrons. We appreciate you so much, and thank you for subscribing, hitting the like, commenting down below, and sharing with your friends. And we'll see you real soon back in the fog. Bye!